Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. Okay, this rotisserie chicken soup, the quick version, is the ultimate weeknight comfort food. Using a store-bought rotisserie chicken cuts the cooking time in half while still delivering deep homemade flavor. Perfect for busy nights, meal prep, or when you need something warm and nourishing fast. In this video, I'll walk you through every step from prepping the vegetables to building the flavor and finishing the soup, so you can have a hearty, satisfying bowl on the table in about 30 minutes. Fast and beginner friendly, one pot, perfect for leftovers and freezing. Alright, so we're gonna dice up our onion and slice up the carrot and the celery and mince the garlic. So we're going to heat the butter or olive oil, whichever you're using, in a large pot over medium heat. Then we're going to add the onions and the carrots and celery. And we're going to cook that for 5 or 6 minutes until softened. Stir in the garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Then we're going to pour in the chicken broth and add the salt, pepper, thyme, rosemary, and a bay leaf. And bring that up to a gentle boil. Stir in the shredded rotisserie chicken. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, remove the bay leaf and taste and adjust the seasonings. Finish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon. You can store that in an airtight container for up to 4 days in the fridge or 3 months in the freezer without the noodles for the best texture. Reheat stovetop over medium-low or microwave in 60-second intervals, stirring in between. So there you go, rotisserie chicken soup. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.